Hello everyone, in this video you're going to study about writing and thank you email to your friend. Okay, so I have two questions again to ask all of you. Have you ever written an email to anyone? What is the email about? You have 1 minute to answer these two questions. You can pause the video now and answer it. Okay, go to B, exercise. So this is the format of an email, a thank you email to a friend. And I'm sorry because there are some mistakes here. So in here, if you look at your paper, you can see in the box here is to, but it is wrong. It is from. So I want you to change from to verb from, and CC here change from CC to. Yes. So this is the format of an thank you email, and in this exercise I want you to read this email and answer the following questions. There are three questions here. Number 1, who is the sender? តើនរណាគឺជាអ្នកផ្ញើ email នេះ Number 2, who is the recipient or the receiver? តើនរណាគឺជាអ្នកទទួលបាន email មួយនេះ អញ្ចឹង recipient ហើយនិង receiver គឺមានន័យដូចគ្នា មានន័យថាអ្នកដែលទទួលបាន Number 3, why did the sender write this email? តើមូលហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកផ្ញើ email ហ្នឹងគាត់ទៅសេ email ហ្នឹងទៅឲ្យម្នាក់ទៀត Okay, so with these three questions, you have 3 minutes to do it. So you can pause the video now and do the exercise. Okay, so now let's check the answer. Number 1, who is the sender? If you read the email, you can see the word from here, right? From is from someone who write this email to another person. This is an email. Email is chanti@gmail.com. So this is the email of the sender. And if you want to know the name of the sender, usually at the end of the email, the sender will put his or her name. So this is the end of the email. You can see the name here, Chanti. So Chanti is the sender. So who is the sender? Chanti is the sender. អញ្ចឹងជាទូទៅនៅពេលដែលគេទៅសេ mail ឈ្មោះអ្នកផ្ញើគឺផ្ញើឈ្មោះអ្នកផ្ញើគឺគេទៅសេនៅចុងបញ្ចប់នៃ email អញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញនៅចុងបញ្ចប់ email នេះគឺ Chanti អញ្ចឹងអ្នកដែលផ្ញើ email នេះទៅគឺឈ្មោះ Chanti. Question number 2, who is the recipient or the receiver? តើនរណាគឺជាអ្នកដែលទទួលបាន mail មួយនេះ So you can see the word to here, right? To this is an email, danasok@gmail.com, and if you see at the beginning of the email, you can see the word greeting here, dear Dana. So Dana is the name of the person, and it is the name of the receiver. So the receiver is Dana. Usually when you write an email, you have to write the name of the receiver at the beginning of your email. អញ្ចឹងជាទូទៅនៅពេលដែលយើងទៅសេmail យើងតែងតែទៅសេឈ្មោះដែលអ្នកដែលយើងចង់ផ្ញើទៅហ្នឹងនៅខាងលើបង្អស់នៅ email របស់យើងដើម្បីដូចជាឲ្យគេដឹងថាយើងហ្នឹងgreet គេប្រាប់គេថាតើយើងហ្នឹងទៅសេឲ្យណាគេ Okay, number 3, why did the sender write this email? តើមូលហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកផ្ញើហ្នឹងគាត់ទៅសេ email ហ្នឹងទៅ ចឹងគាត់ say email ហ្នឹងទៅដើម្បីអី បើយើងមើល from and to, it is an email address and this is the subject. Subject here they say thank you for the gift. So the subject is means what the email is about. So the email is about the thank you for the gift. So the sender write this email to thank the receiver for the gift. So thank you for the gift. Chẳng thì tôi ta bà dân chẳng đang tha ta nè tại xe nó gọi chọn xe bị ấy dân tay từ mới từ lời subject cứ chỉ cầm vật thộp như nào vậy để dân chọn tại xe từ chẳng bà dân mơ từ lời cầm thộp ní cái tha thank you for the gift chẳng sender ហ្នឹងគាត់ទៅ send email នេះដើម្បីអរគុណទៅដល់អ្នកដែលបានឲ្យកាដូហ្នឹងទៅគាត់ Okay, move to exercise B. So exercise B, read the email again and number all the stages in order. So this is an email. So this is the thing that I asked you to correct from the previous exercise. And another thing I want you to correct is the number here. So it is not in here. You have to draw a line in this sentence. It is number 7, and then all the best here is the line for number 8, and Chanti here is the line for number 9. Okay, I want you to change this first. After you change it, look at the exercise. So in this exercise, you are asked to match the stage from 1 to 9 in the email with the correct order in here. អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងលំហាត់ B2 គឺអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាន email ហ្នឹងបន្ទាប់មកយើងដាក់លេខនៅកន្លែងខាងលំហាត់របស់យើងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងឃើញនៅលើกระดาษរបស់យើងនៅមានកន្លែងនេះគឺគេឲ្យយើងដាក់ជាលេខទៅតាមឲ្យត្រូវទៅតាមលំដាប់ដែលមាននៅលេខនៅកន្លែង email មួយនេះចឹងឧទាហរណ៍បើសិនជា sender email address គឺជាលេខ1យើងទៅសេលេខ1នៅជាប់នៅកន្លែង sender email address ហើយបើ Dana សុកនេះគឺជា subject យើងទៅសេលេខ2នៅជាប់កន្លែង subject. Yes, and you have 10 minutes to do this exercise, so you can pause the video now and do it. Okay, 10 minutes is over. Now let's check the answer. So number one here, from Chanti's email address. So number 1 it is here. Here it is. What is it? It is an email address, right? So chanti@gmail.com here is an address. But who address is it? It is the address from the person who sent the email. So it is the sender email address. So sender email address is number 1. Okay, move to number 2. Number 2 here is also an email address. But whose email address it is? Dana is the receiver, right? So it is the receiver email address. Or the recipient or the receiver email address. So can you see here the recipient email address is number 2. Go to number 3, subject. Thank you for the gift. So number 3, it is the subject. I want to explain a little bit about subject. So subject, usually in the email, you just write as a phrase like here, thank you for the gift. When you write the subject, you do not write it in a full sentence. You do not write, I thank you for the gift. Like here, I thank you for the gift. Usually we do not write in the full sentence like that. We just write it in the phrase. អញ្ចឹងជាធម្មតានៅពេលដែលយើង say subject គឺជាកម្មវត្ថុគឺជាអ្វីដែលយើងចង់ទៅ say គឺជាបំណងអ្វីដែលយើងចង់ទៅ say ទៅអ្នក receiver ហ្នឹងជាធម្មតានៅពេលដែលយើងទៅ say subject គឺយើងទៅ say ជា phrase របៀបនេះ thank you for the gift យើងអត់ទៅ say វាទៅជាប្រយោគពេញមួយមាន subject បូកជាមួយនឹង verb បូកជាមួយនឹង object អីទេហើយមាន full stop អីទៅតាមឲ្យត្រូវតាម grammar អីគឺអត់ទេគឺនៅពេលដែលយើងទៅ say subject យើងគ្រាន់តែទៅ say ជា phrase ចោលមកធ្វើឲ្យតែគេយល់ថាយើងចង់ទៅ say ពីអីគឺបានហើយអាហ្នឹងគេហៅថា subject. Okay, so move to 4, dear Dana. So dear here is the greeting word that you use to greet someone. So it is the greeting word that used to greet Dana, who is the receiver. So number 4 is greeting. It is where you use the greeting word. Okay, so go to number 5. Hi, how are you? So hi, how are you here is the introduction. It is where you greet the recipient and ask about the well-being of the recipient. You see here, you say hi is the greet word, and how are you means you ask about someone's well-being. So it is called introduction, number 5. Go to 6. Here is a bunch of many sentences. So number 6, in here we call it body. In body part, when you write a thank you email, in the body part, this is where you mention the gift that you receive and what you will do with the gift. អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង body part គឺនៅពេលដែលយើងទៅ say thank you email គឺជា part មួយដែលយើងរៀបរាប់អំពីកាដូដែលយើងបានអឺទទួលបានពីអ្នកដែលឲ្យយើងតើកាដូដែលយើងទទួលបានហ្នឹងគឺជាអីតើយើងមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងម៉េចចំពោះកាដូដែលគេឲ្យតើយើងនឹងប្រើប្រាស់វាឬអត់តើវាមានប្រយោជន៍អីសម្រាប់យើងអត់អញ្ចឹងអាកន្លែងម្ដុំទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគេហៅថា body part. It is where you mention the gift and what you will do with the gift. Okay, so goes to 7 here. 7 here is this sentence. Thank you again. It's really mean a lot to me and I will always use it. It is number 7. This is called the closing part. In the closing part, this part show your appreciation to the recipient. Mean you show about your thanks, your gratitude, and you value the gift that the receiver gave it to you. All the best is number 8. So all the best here we call it signed off. It is the final word that you write to end the email or end in the writing. And we have many words like all the best, regard, love, best, so on and so forth. The last one is Chanti. So Chanti here is the name and it is the sender name. So it goes to number 9. So this is the order of writing and thank you email, and if you want to write a thank you email, you have to follow this format. And this is the end of writing lesson in unit 2. Thank you.